Hey, how you doing? So it's February, it's getting into Valentine's Day. I know it's getting into Valentine's Day because my mom called to say, did you get Jenny anything for Valentine's Day? And Jenny's mom was like, did you get Jenny anything for Valentine's Day? Right? And Jenny was like, what are we doing for Valentine's Day? So I figured, little black boxes of nice little heavy things would be good to get. So I've got this little item here I'm going to show you about. Kind of fancy, right? I kind of splurged a little bit. This isn't a typical review item. I don't get any money off of this, and I bought this at full price because I thought, hey, this is something that will make my wife so happy. And it is a dishwasher dirty clean indicator, right? So when I come in and I go to do the dishes, right, on those rare occasions, and I open it up and I see stuff, I don't know if it's clean or dirty, right? So we tend to wash the same pots 67.5 times, right? So what this little device here does, and I got it off Amazon, I'll put a link below, it just magnetically sticks to the dishwasher. And it comes with stickers if you need stickers, but the magnet's fine because we got a stainless steel dishwasher here. But when you put the dishes in, you turn it on, you push it over to clean. When you empty it, you do it to dirty. And then you always know what is going on with your dishes. Red for dirty, green for clean. Since I ain't run that, it's dirty. What do you think?
How thoughtful of you.
I do think it's thoughtful.
And I thought it was jewelry. I got a heavy box and I was like, oh, finally a piece of jewelry.
She's lied. She knows better than that. So anyway, I hope that's useful to you. I'll put a link below how to get one.